I'm going to walk you through the latest version of our WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension from start to finish. And I have broken the whole process into 5 simple steps, so you can jump to whichever part you need. Step 1. Installing and authenticating the extension. First, open your Zoho CRM and head over to the Marketplace. In the search bar, type WorkDrive for Zoho CRM. And click on Enter. And you will see a few options, and you have to install this one, WorkDrive for Zoho CRM, developed by Insta Web Works Limited. So you can directly buy it or start the free trial to test. So I am starting the free trial, and I'm clicking on these buttons and click on Continue. And you have to click these buttons too for Agreement of Term of Service, and you have to click to install. And I will install for all users, so you can select any options. So click on Confirm after that. So it is preparing to install. Give it a moment to install. So our installation in progress. You can see extension installation status in this pop-up window, and you will receive a notification upon completion. So after that, it is now installed, and you will see a pop-up for log errors. You can skip that for now. Just click on Cancel. And it will redirect you to the extension setting page. So before we can do anything, we need to connect the extension to our WorkDrive account. This is a one-time step. Click the Authenticate button. A pop-up window or a new tab will open for the authentication. And select your organization and click on Submit. And you have to allow easy plugins to access the above data. So accept it. And our authentication completed successfully. So close this tab and reload this tab. Now you can cancel it. And if you go to the Setting button, and it will open the setting page, and you will see the default folder structure for our WorkDrive for Zoho CRM. We are ready to roll now. In Step 2, understanding the default folder structure. Now let me show you what that means in WorkDrive. If I open WorkDrive and go to Team Folders, you will notice a brand new folder called Easy WorkDrive. Inside it, there is a dedicated folder for each of those 5 modules: Leads, Contacts, Accounts, Deals, and Campaigns. So you will see them here. And here is the magic. Every time you create a new record in Zoho CRM, the extension automatically creates a corresponding folder inside the right module folder. No manual work. Let's see that happen live in the next step. Step 3. Using the WorkDrive widget. So this is the core step of this extension, the WorkDrive widget that lives inside every record. I am going to show you everything you can do with it. Uploading files, syncing old attachments, sharing externally, managing files, viewing them without ever leaving your CRM. Creating a record and uploading files. Let's create a new contact to see the extension in action. So go back to your modules, and I will create a new contact here. So I will give it a first name like MD, last name Ikram. And now I will click on Save. You can notice 2 things. First, there is a new field called WorkDrive Folder ID, EXT, that is automatically populated with the unique folder ID for this record. Second, scroll down and you will see Easy WorkDrive Related List. So you can find it here in the related list, Easy WorkDrive. And if you scroll down, you can go here. So here is the Easy WorkDrive extension. And this is the widget. From here, you can create folder, upload files with drag and drop, and switch between 3 different view modes: large preview, list view, and compact table. Everything syncs to WorkDrive in real time. Now, syncing existing CRM attachments. Now, what if you already have files attached to your records in Zoho CRM, the old-fashioned way, and you want to move them to WorkDrive? Scroll up to the attachment section. Upload a couple of files. So select Attach and Upload File. So click here. And I am uploading 2 files here. So then attach. And now come back to the Easy WorkDrive widget. Click the setting icon and choose Sync Attachments. The extension will pull every attachment from that record and upload them straight into the record's WorkDrive folder. So come in the WorkDrive folder, and if we open this Contacts folder, you will see the record named MD Grom. And you will see these 2 files here. Huge time saver when you are migrating from an older setup. Now, sharing files and folders. Sharing is where this extension really shines. From the widget, we have 2 options. Option 1, share the URL with download-only access. Perfect for clients who need to view files but shouldn't edit them. Option 2, share the current folder with full access. Ideal for team members or vendors who need to upload files themselves. Click the Share button, and you can set a password here and set the expiration date. So I am just giving a random date, and now I am clicking on Share. So you can copy this Share button and paste it wherever you need: email, Slack, WhatsApp, etc. And here's something cool. When someone uploads a file through the shared link, just hit refresh inside the widget and the new file appears instantly. Now, managing your files: rename, copy, move, and delete. So I am clicking on this file, so I right-click on it, and I can see the option of rename. So I can rename it here. So I am renaming it. And hit on rename. So it is done, and now we can copy and paste. So I am again right-clicking on this, and I can copy it from here, and I am opening a new folder. So I am giving it a name and click on Create. So my folder is created, and if I right-click on this new folder and click on Paste, so item copied successfully. So if you go to this folder, and now our file is copied successfully. So I can go back, and now you can also cut and paste here. So if I right-click on this file again, and I am clicking on Cut, and if you select this folder and right-click, now you can paste it. So our file successfully moved. And if you go to this folder, and here is the file we just cut. Now another option is that you can download file from here too. So if you click on this file, and you can download it from here. Also, you can open in WorkDrive. You can share the link, download only, or full access. And you can also delete the file from here. So if I click on Delete, so I am clicking on Delete, and the file will be deleted successfully. And we have only this folder, and in this folder we have 2 files. So if I go to the WorkDrive folder, and you can see the test folder here. And if I go on this test folder, you can see that there are 2 files here. Okay. So now, one of my favorite features, you can preview files directly inside the widget. No need to download or open WorkDrive in another tab. So for showing you that, I am uploading some file here. So I'm uploading a docx file, then I will upload an XLSX file, and I will upload a PDF here. Okay, so I am uploading 3 different files. And now you can preview the PDFs and images from this widget. So if I click on this file, you can see that preview is not supported. So you can either open it in WorkDrive or download it from here. So I'm clicking on Cancel. Same for the XLSX file. And if you go to this file and if you open this file, so it is a PDF file, so you can preview it from right here. You don't have to go to the WorkDrive for that. So you can preview the PDF from here. And if I go to this folder, you can also preview the PNG file from here. Now, step 5 is to customizing the folder structure. This is where you make the extension truly yours. So you have to go back to the module setting of the extension. So for that, click on the Marketplace, and here you have to click on Installed, and you can see the installed extension of yours. And this one is ours, WorkDrive for Zoho CRM, and you have to click on Setting. And you will see the 5 default modules, and underneath each one, the folder structure rules. By default, Account creates folders using the account name. Contacts uses the full name, then Deals uses the deal name, and then Leads uses the full name too, and the Campaigns uses the campaign name as default. So let me walk through each setting. So first one is the folder name template. This is the naming convention. So you have to click on the pencil icon and you will see the folder name convention. So this is the default folder name convention and you can change it from here. So if you want to add, so instead of just using the account name, you could combine fields like account name - industry for smarter organization. So for that, I am giving a dash, and you have to press Shift+3 from your keyboard, and you can choose any field from your module. So I am choosing the industry from here. So now our naming convention is changed, and it is now account name - industry. Then save folder fields, where to save WorkDrive folder ID. Keep this as default unless you have a custom field. Then we have copy lead folder. This one is especially for lead conversion. When a lead converts into a contact, account, or deal, do you want the folder contents to come along? If yes, enable this option. Then we have Share URL Download Only. So it populates a read-only share link field. And then we have Save Share URL Full Access. So it auto-populates a full access share link field. Then we have Use Existing Folder. If you enable this, then you want the extension to search for and reuse an existing folder instead of creating a new one. So it is great for migrations. Then we have Move Folder to New Location if exist. This one is powerful. Say your deals are organized by stage, like qualification, proposal, negotiation, closed one, and a deal moves from one stage to another. Enable this, and the folder will automatically move to the correct stage folder. So configure this one, and your folder runs on autopilot. Okay, so we finished the main features of our extension. So another feature I want to highlight is that if you go to the setting, and if you come to the widget, and now if you click on this setting button of Easy WorkDrive by Easy Plugins, you can see that the mobile compatibility is on by default. So you can off if you want. So that's another feature of this extension. Okay, so that's the complete setup of WorkDrive for Zoho CRM latest version. To quickly recap, you learned how to install and authenticate the extension, use the widget for upload, sharing, and file management, enable it on mobile, and customize the folder structure to match your workflow. If you got stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and we will personally reply. For support, you can also reach us at admin@instawebworks.com.au. If this tutorial helped you, a quick like really helped the channel.